Good afternoon. It is May the 4th, 2016. Time to wrap up our trading today and take a look at what we think might happen tomorrow. We came in this morning with a buy 39 to 41 right in here. The market stopped just above that at 41.50. We had a sell at 47 to 50 and then at 54 to I believe 59. The market came in a little bit inside of where we were. It did rally. It managed to get it stops. I think at 53.75 was the high. Just missed our buy. Just missed our desired sell levels just by a skosh. Good trades. Nancy's tweezers a buy. No V-top trade right here. This S worked out. Provided a positive. Nancy's tweezers close enough again, or this buy, small winners. Mean green trade, retest failure, small winners. Retest failure right here, small winner. S winner, V bottom winner. So the trading worked out pretty well on the 5-minute chart. It's a chart I'm starting to like a little better, and the reason for it is that there aren't as many false signals. You do give up significant trade location, and that's what our 1-minute chart is for, is to improve the trade location when we get in. But you can see that just taking a look, triple bottom, Nancy's tweezers off the top, and S and S. This S was a loser down below. These buys work. Similar pattern right here. The 3-minute versus the 5-minute worked out pretty close to the same today. Maybe one loser on the 3-minute chart. So we'll learn to trade the 5-minute chart and hope for 10 to 15 point moves. Get in early and catch them that way. So let's take a look at what might happen for tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we have got jobless claims, challenger job cuts, and natural gas inventories, and we have Friday's non-farm payroll reports that are likely to keep the market in check. Lower high, lower low. Off the F1 screen on the E-mini, this market can trade lower. Looking at the F2 screen, definitely a B. So they both are congruent. So our first sell would be in the 45 to say 49 area. Say 45 to 50 will be sell 1. Pick it up in here, and the closer we get to 50, the better we like it. And 54, 60, sell 2. Right now they're looking for jobless, not jobless claims, but non-farm payrolls at 200,000. Buy 1, 38 to 40. Buy 2, 30 to 32. First trade we favor is to the short side. Looking at treasuries, they were higher today, basically off the weakness in the E-mini. Wouldn't attribute it to anything else. The economic news came in stronger than forecast, that normally, and the first reaction was lower. But the E-mini weakened, and treasuries found buyers. So F1 on the 10-year says, find a place to buy it, higher low, higher high. And F2 is definitely a P. So we're going to sell. Failure to take out 20, so our sell band will be 16 to 20. Selling failure. And I think Friday's news will hold the market in check. Sell 2 will be 23 to 27. On the buy side, we're currently at 16. Like to pick up the 5 to 9 area. If the E-mini sells this afternoon, it's going to be 13s to get in. So we'll put a question mark by 13 because of maybe if the E-mini sells later on this afternoon. And then 29 to 1 for buy 2. Okay, looking at the 30-year, definitely a P, volume's high in the distribution, and again it'll be selling. First trade is going to be sell failure to take out and hold 20. So I think if we get through that, we're going to jump up to 65 for sell 1, so it'll be 27 to 65, 3 to 7, sell 2, and that might be a little optimistic on the sell band. Might take place at 24, 23, 24. On the buy side, first band of support is going to be 4 to 8. So we'll make 29 to 01 buy 1. And then 21, 25 buy 2. Gold was pointed lower. F1 and F2 probably congruent. Lower high, lower low. And again, that 75 area, 75 to 80 is pretty good support. I still like the long side of the market because of the chaos that is around the globe. And we've come back pretty nicely from the close, from the low of the day to close at 83. So 85, 87, sell 1, 90, 92, sell 2. On the buy side, 79 to 81, buy 1, 75, 77, buy 2. Crude oil should try to trade lower tomorrow, but crude oil is one of those. Don't worry too much about fundamentals with that. Lower high, lower low. On the F1 screen, F2 is going to give us a B. Multiple distributions lower. So here we are at 44, 44 and a quarter, 44, 44 and a quarter, sell 1. 50 to 75, sell 2. On the buy side, 43 and a quarter, 43.50, buy 1. And then 42.75, 43, buy 2. Like the short side better. And the euros trying to sell. China didn't help their efforts by devaluing their currency. What will Mario do next? Well, rhetorically speaking, he'll try to jawbone the market down. Lower high, lower low on the F1 screen. The economy is softening or weakening. Their fight against inflation has not been successful. Really, since 2008, every central bank in the world is really fighting deflation. They just don't tell us that they are. Kind of a D pattern leaning B. So 20 to 30, sell 1. 40 to 50, sell 2. That was a good trade for us this morning. On the buy side, didn't make it down to 75, so we'll make 75, 85, buy 1, then 50, plus or minus, buy 2. And tomorrow's going to be probably a calm day, a quiet pause day here also because of Friday's non-farm payroll news. Tends to quieten things down. That's it for May the 4th, 2016. See you bright and early in the morning. Y'all have a great evening.